gas turbines' power out and efficiency is highly dependent on ambient temperature. When the ambient temperature increases, the gas turbines might lose up to 20 to 30% of their total power output. ARANER's turbine inlet air cooling TIAC technology implemented at the filter house is the most advanced solution for recovering this power output. This technology reduces the temperature of the air entering into the turbine compressor. Reducing the inlet air temperature, for example, from 35 degrees Celsius down to 10 degrees Celsius. The turbine can constantly work at 10 degrees Celsius, so the new turbine curve with TIAC will not depend more on the ambient temperature. TIAC technology can be applied to both new and existing turbine power plants. The price per kilowatt is at least 70% lower than the price of installing a new gas turbine, providing the same power output. With thermal energy storage for TIAC technology, we are able to reduce the size of the cooling plant, producing chilled water during power plant off-peak periods and using it during the peak demand, which usually coincides with the hottest hours of the day. Test TIAC solution reduces the cost by up to 30% extra. To maximize power output during peak demand periods, optimize the efficiency of the turbine, increase energy production, reduce carbon emissions, applicable to both greenfield and existing power plants. Get power augmentation using ARANER TIAC technology. ARANER, your energy solutions company.